Dear customer, welcome to use the Flexem Business Service Platform. You can call it BSP Platform. Let's introduce you how to place an order based on this platform. First, log in by your username and password. Second, click Business Management, Order Management, New Order. You can see the basic information of your company has been automatically brought out. The address is the default delivery address. Memo. It means if you have any special requirements of your order, you can tap here. For example, if you want shipped by air, you can tap messaging. And then click Save and Submit. Next, we go back to the order management. Choose the order you just created. Click Order Product. Start to add product. There are two options, Special Price Product and Standard Price Product. Let's try Standard Price. Terminal Customer. Select the terminal customer. If this order is a stock order, the end customer can choose your own company name. If you are supplying to other end customers, you can select the corresponding end customer name. Search, confirm, and then select the product. Let's try this model. Search and confirm the selection. Please be informed. When you are choosing a product, please pay attention to if there is a note that shows the product is comparing with the antenna. If yes, please add the antenna models corresponding to the products in your order. Quantity. The default quantity is the meeting order quantity of this product, and the order quantity must be more than the meeting order quantity to support the order. Let's try 2000. Product memo. It means if you have special requirements of this product, you can fill in here. For example, if you want this product with version 3.1, you can try. And save and submit the order. It should be noted that when you are placing an order, you can choose one model each time. So, if you need to place an order for multiple models, you can continue to click the select product to add other models. Finally, save and submit. And click Submit the order. The operation process of placing an order for special products is same as above. After order is submitted, the process will transfer to our business staff, and our business staff will review the order and reply to the delivery time according to each product order. When our business staff handled, you can check your order details in this part. My task, to-do list, click and process. You can find the planned shipping date. If you have no objection with the planned shipping date, you can click agree with the delivery plan to complete the order. If you have any objection to the delivery plan, you can contact with our business staff. If the delivery date can be modified, you can click Reject with the delivery plan. The order process will be returned to our business staff, and our business staff will modify the planned date according to the latest delivery date, and then the process will return to your site. When you click Agree with the delivery plan, that is complete with the order. If the order is not approved, our business staff will reject the order, and you can view the reason for the rejection in the order header in this part. Okay, the above is the basic operation process of placing an order on the DSP platform. Thank you. Next, I will introduce to you how to check the order status. First, you can click Business Management, Order Management. After enter this page, you can filter out the orders you need to query according to the filter conditions. Please pay attention to the red dot. If this button has a red dot, it means it has a filter condition. The system will save the condition automatically for you when you filter the last time by default. So each time you make a query, you can click the Reset button to clear the previous filter conditions. Normally, you can use order number or confirm date to check orders. After filtering the orders you want to view, you can check as follows. First, you can click Order and click Order Product. You can see the product models, the price, and the quantities, and other information of the order. Delivery plan. You can see the processed delivery plan, the planned shipping date. Click Delivery Status. Click on the actual delivery to see the logistics information of the actual delivery of the products, such as the express company, the express numbers, and the delivery date, and the delivery address, and the product service numbers. Click Product to be shipped. You can see the specifications, the models, and the quantities of the products to be shipped. Click Delivery Plan. You can see the planned ship dates for all products in that order. Click Process Tracking. You can see the whole process of the order. New order, it means you have created an order and submitted it. Create Delivery Plan. It means our business staff is confirming the delivery date for you. Confirm delivery date. It means our business staff has finished the planned delivery date and waiting for confirmation. Delivery. It means you have confirmed the order and we will arrange the shipment for you according to the delivery date. There are two conditions for the end of the process. First, our company has shipped the goods for you and the order will be closed automatically. The second, the order is cancelled or closed by yourself, so the order is closed. Click Export Print Sheet. You can export the sales order of our template. Please note, only one record can be selected for export at a time, and multiple orders cannot be exported at the same time. Click Export Order List. You can export the order list according to the date and other filter conditions. It is recommended to export no more than 200 records at a time. Export product serial number. You can export the product serial number for that order. Okay, the above is the basic operation process of order inquiry on the BSP platform. Thank you.